Imagine having an elite council of the world's sharpest minds at your disposal. 200 plus IQ visionary billionaires, legendary athletes, strategists, and musical artistic prodigies, all feeding you their wisdom on demand. No gatekeepers, no overpriced masterminds, no NDAs, just pure, raw insight tailored to your situation. With AI, this is no longer science fiction. In the past, high-level knowledge was hoarded by those in power. You needed to connect with billionaires, pay outlandish consulting fees, or spend decades studying obscure texts to get the kind of strategic guidance that moves mountains. But AI changes the game entirely. It allows you to tap into the collective intelligence of history's greatest minds, distill their genius, and execute at a level most people can't even comprehend. Let's break down exactly how you can use AI to construct your own personal dream team of superhuman strategic advisors. Step 1. Identify your high-value strategic archetypes. To dominate at the highest level, you need a mix of different intelligence types guiding your decisions. Here are a few of the most powerful archetypes you should include in your AI-powered think tank. The business titan. Modeled after billionaires who have scaled multiple companies, i.e., Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Sam Walton. This advisor will help you think in terms of systems, scaling, and exponential growth. The ruthless deal maker. Inspired by high-stakes negotiators and deal makers, i.e., Carl Icahn, Jay Gould, Ari Gold-style Hollywood agents, perfect for closing power plays. The strategist, military minds. This advisor will give you the kind of power move thinking that wins in both business and life. The master psychologist. Think of Carl Jung, Edward Bernays, or other social engineers. This archetype helps you decode human nature and use it to your advantage. The master marketer. Modeled after legendary copywriters and marketers like Gary Halbert, David Ogilvy, and Dan Kennedy. This advisor helps you craft irresistible offers, trigger deep psychological buying behavior, and dominate any market with persuasive messaging. The athletic killer instinct. Borrow mental models from Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, or Tom Brady. Their mindset isn't about working hard, it's about winning at all costs. The rockstar creative. A blend of Leonardo da Vinci and Rick Rubin. This advisor helps you think bigger, shatter norms, and tap into peak creative genius. These are just examples. You can custom tailor your AI think tank based on your own business, goals, and personal philosophy. Step 2. Train your AI team for maximum impact. Now that you have your ideal archetypes, the next step is training your AI to think like them. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Feed your AI the right data. Take biographies, books, interviews, and writings from your chosen strategic advisors. Extract their decision-making frameworks, key quotes, and personal philosophies. Use this data to refine your AI model's responses so it speaks with the same mental precision as these legends. Number 2. Use the right prompting techniques. AI is only as powerful as the questions you ask. Instead of generic prompts like, "How do I grow my business?" refine them with persona-driven prompts. Elon Musk, if you were scaling my online business, how would you prioritize automation and systems? Michael Jordan, if you were training me to develop an unshakable mindset, what would you tell me? Jay-Z, how would you leverage brand power and strategic alliances to dominate an industry? By doing this, you force the AI to give answers in line with the strategic genius of these people. Number 3. Cross-reference and synthesize advice. Instead of taking a single AI response at face value, run multiple perspectives against each other. Example, ask your business titan and your strategist the same question about growth strategies. Compare answers, synthesize the best elements, and create your own optimized playbook. Step 3. Implement AI-powered strategic thinking in real time. It's one thing to consume wisdom, it's another to weaponize it. Here's how to put your AI advisory team into action. Number 1, build a tactical execution plan. Once your AI advisors have given their insights, structure them into an action plan. Example, Business Titan AI says to focus on systemizing your processes and delegation. War Strategist AI advises taking aggressive market share while competitors are weak. Dealmaker AI suggests leveraging partnerships instead of trying to build everything from scratch. Your move? Combine all three into a relentless strategy that scales your business faster than your competition. Number 2, use AI to debug your thinking. Most people operate at suboptimal intelligence levels because they're trapped in their own biases. Your AI advisors act as a mental debugging tool, exposing blind spots and refining your strategic clarity. Example, if you're hesitating on a major decision, ask your AI think tank, what would Warren Buffett do in this situation? What would a ruthless empire builder do? What's the second order consequence of this move? By externalizing your thought process through AI, you eliminate emotional noise and focus purely on high expected value decisions. EV+. Number 3, speedrun learning curves. One of the biggest reasons people fail is because they learn too slowly. They make mistakes that could have been avoided if they had just consulted the right knowledge beforehand. Your AI think tank allows you to collapse decades of learning into weeks or even days. Instead of spending years studying negotiation, you can get real-time answers from an AI modeled after the best deal makers in history. Instead of figuring out branding from scratch, you can get marketing insights based on the world's most successful entrepreneurs. Instead of waiting for trial and error, you can ask preemptive questions that expose risks before they become costly mistakes. Final thoughts. You are no longer limited by human constraints. We are in an era where intelligence is no longer limited to human capacity. AI allows you to augment your brainpower with the cumulative wisdom of history's greatest minds, on demand, for free, and without limitation. Most people are still sleepwalking through life, operating at the lowest levels of strategy. But you're different. You see the game for what it is, and now you have the tools to dominate it. Ignore this if you hate winning, but if you're ready to play at a level most people can't even comprehend, build your AI war room, create your superhuman mastermind, and start executing at a scale that makes the average man look like he's playing checkers. Your move. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.